Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to share updated WooCommerce products on Facebook page. Suppose I am selling my products by using WooCommerce, and now I want that whenever I will update any product details on my WooCommerce store, automatically this information should be sent on my Facebook page in a form of a new post. So how we are going to automate this entire process without taking much efforts? For that, we will have to integrate both these applications, and that we are going to do with the help of an amazing automation and integration software Pabbly Connect. So what we are going to do, we have WooCommerce in our trigger and Facebook pages in our action. So we will be connecting both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically create a Facebook page post whenever there will be an update in WooCommerce product. Okay, so let's start creating this automation step by step. In order to automate this entire process, we will have to integrate WooCommerce and Facebook pages, and that we are going to do with the help of an amazing automation and integration software Pabbly Connect. So this is the home page of Pabbly Connect where we can reach directly by typing pabbly.com/connect, this URL in our browser. Once we will reach on this home page, we can find two options over here: sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. And also when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now because I'm already an existing user, therefore I'm clicking on sign in. And this is the all apps section of Pabbly where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So this is the dashboard, and here we can find all our workflows which we have created, and we can also create multiple folders here in order to save our workflows. As you can find, I have two folders over here. In this test integrations folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. In the same manner, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows. Now, in order to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. So let's do that. And here a dialog box is appeared in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. Create Facebook page post for WooCommerce product update. Okay. After giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save this workflow. From the drop down, I'm going to select test integrations folder, and then we will click on create. And as we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us, trigger and action. So what are these trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Now whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now let's understand the concept of trigger and action once again with the example of this workflow. Let's say here we are going to take WooCommerce in our trigger and Facebook pages in our action. And we want that as soon as a product will be updated in WooCommerce, automatically a new post should be shared on our Facebook page informing about the same update. Okay, now after understanding the concept of trigger and action, let's start creating this workflow step by step. First of all, we will select the trigger application, that is WooCommerce. Let's do that. And now we have to select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger. Basically, the workflow is going to start on the happening of this event. So what we want that as soon as a product will be updated in our WooCommerce store, automatically this workflow should get triggered. So let's select product updated as our trigger event. And here we can find that a webhook URL is provided to us along with some instructions. What we are supposed to do, we just have to follow these instructions in order to connect our WooCommerce store with Pabbly Connect. For that, we are going to use this webhook URL. First of all, let us copy this, and I'm going to tell you exactly what we are supposed to do. For this, let me take you towards my WooCommerce store. And after coming here, we can find the option of settings over here. Let's select it. As we will click on settings, we will find some more options, and under that, we have to click on this advanced option. Let's do that. After coming on advanced option, here we can find the option of webhooks. We just have to click on webhooks over here. And now we have to set up a new webhook. Okay, let's click on add webhook. And here we have to enter the details. First of all, we will have to provide a name to our webhooks. Let's say I'm going to provide a random name as test integration. The next is status. So we will select the status as active. And now here we have to select the topic. Here what will be our topic? Our topic will be product updated, as we want that as soon as a product will be updated here in WooCommerce, the response should be sent towards Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. So we will select the topic as product updated, and in the delivery URL field, we just have to paste the URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Done. After entering all the details, let's click on Save Webhook. And we can find that very easily our webhook is updated successfully. Let's go back on Pabbly Connect. And after setting up the webhook, we will click on this Recapture Webhook Response button so that a new response could be captured over here. Now, as it is showing waiting for webhook response, what we are supposed to do now, we just have to do a test submission by updating a product in our WooCommerce store so that the response of that product should be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. Again, I'm going to take you towards my WooCommerce store and we will go towards product section. We will go towards all products. So this is the list of product which I have in my WooCommerce store. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make an update in one of these product. Okay, so let's say here I'm going to update this PHP course for beginner 8 weeks. Let me open it. And these are the details of my product. The name is PHP course for beginners 8 week. And here are the description. New course launched with user-friendly teaching techniques. Here is a product short description. What I'm going to do, I'm simply going to make a small change in this description. Let's say an online course with complete guidelines, just a random change. And here in the product categories, I am going to click on subscription. So I have added one more option over here, digital as well as subscription. Okay. Now this is the product image and here I have made small changes. After making the changes, I'm simply going to click on update. And my product is updated over here. Now after updating the product, let's go back on Pabbly Connect to check. And here we will have to wait for the response for a few seconds. And we can find that we have received the response over here. So here we have received all the details of the product along with the updated values. Okay, the type of the product is simple. The status is publish. This is the course slug, PHP course for beginners 8 weeks. And here this is the description, an online course with complete guidelines. The updated description along with the sale price. And here we have also received the perma link. Okay, now because we have received this response, that means we have successfully integrated our WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect. And now whenever a new product will be updated in our WooCommerce store, the response of that product will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, now what is our next motive? Our motive is to create a Facebook page post by using this same response. For that, we will move towards our action step and we will select Facebook pages here in our action application. Let's select Facebook pages. And now in the action event, we will select create page post. Okay, click on connect. And now from the given options, I'm going to select add new connection to build a new connection with my Facebook pages account. If you want, you can also go with your existing connection. To create a new connection, we have to click on this connect with Facebook pages button. And then we have to select the account. And very easily our authorization has become successful. Because I was already logged into my Facebook account, automatically my authorization has become successful. So you also have to keep in mind always to keep logging to your applications before making the connection with Pabbly Connect, as it makes the connection simple and very easy. Okay. Now after making the connection, we will move further. And here it is asking us for the details in order to create a new Facebook page post. Okay. First of all, in order to create the post, we will have to select the page on which we want to create the post. For that, I'm going to take you towards my Facebook account. And after coming on the account, we will go towards pages section. And here are the list of pages I have on my Facebook account. Among these pages, I am going to select this Pabbly page in order to create new Facebook page post for my WooCommerce product update. Okay. For that, we will have to select the same page here in Pabbly Connect also. So from the drop down, I'm going to search for Pabbly, my Facebook page. And after selecting the page, the next it is asking us for the message. Here in this field, we have to enter the message which we want to share in the form of Facebook post. Okay, so in the message, what I'm going to write, let's say, hello team, a new product. Now in the place of name of the product, what we are going to do, we are simply going to map the name of the product which we have received from a WooCommerce response. Okay, so here we have received all the details of the product. We are going to use the same details in order to map the data over here. Now what is mapping? Mapping is inserting the data from our previous step. So we just have to select our previous step like this, and here are all the details we have. So whatever data we want, we can either scroll down to find that, or we can even search here in the search bar. I want the name of the product. I'm simply going to enter the key as name, and it has redirected me automatically towards the name of my product, PHP course for beginner. When we will select this name, it will be automatically mapped here in this field. Now, because we have mapped this name, whenever a new product will be updated in WooCommerce, let's say a different product, not necessarily the PHP course for beginners, automatically the name of that new product will appear here without any manual process. But in case if we will enter the name manually, then it will become static and it is not going to change with each and every response. Therefore, wherever in the workflow we want that data should get replaced automatically, there we map the data. Okay, now after mapping the product name, I am going to enter the further details. Let's say a new product name PHP course for beginner has been recently updated. Kindly check and give your feedbacks for the same. Regards. Okay, this is the basic message which I want to use in the post. Okay. Hello team, a new product PHP course for beginner has been recently updated. Kindly check and give your feedbacks for the same. Regards. Okay. Now after entering the message, the next we are going to enter the link URL. Now in this field, we are going to map the link which we have received from our earlier response, that is permalink of the product. Okay. So we will simply again select the previous step like this and we will search for the link. And this is the permalink, basically the link of our product PHP course of beginners. Let's select it and it is mapped. Again, because we have mapped this, it is going to be replaced with each and every response. So here in the place of PHP course of beginner, a new link of a new product will appear. Now, after entering all the details, let's simply click on save and send test request. And we have received the response. Along with the response, we have also received the post ID. Because we have received this ID, that means the post is shared on our Facebook page. Let's go and check there. So we will go towards our Pabbly page and I am simply going to refresh this once. And we can find that yes, automatically a new post is created over here with the same message. Hello team, a new product PHP course for beginner. The name of the product has been recently updated. Kindly check and give your feedback for the same. Regards. And automatically the image is also attached over here. So because this post is created on our Facebook page, that means we have successfully completed this integration between WooCommerce and Facebook pages. Now what we are going to do, we are going to check this workflow once again by using a live example. What I will do, I will make an update in another product, not in the PHP course for beginners, but in another product on my WooCommerce store. And we will see that as soon as I will update the new product, automatically without any manual efforts, within seconds, a new post will be created here on the same page. So let's go and make the necessary changes in another product. So we will again go on product section, all products. And let's say from the list of the product here, I'm going to make the change in this dummy product. I will open it. And here in the place of the description, this is a test product. I am going to change the name. Let's say this is a dummy product. And in the product categories, I am going to select the uncategorized as the product category of a product. Okay. And I will remove this digital from here. After making the changes, I will click on update and our product is updated. Now, as soon as we have updated the product, let's go and check on our Facebook account and we will again refresh this page once. And we can find that yes, automatically without any efforts, within seconds, a new Facebook post is again created over here for the dummy product which we have recently updated in our WooCommerce store. With the same message, hello team, a new product, dummy product has been recently updated. Kindly check and give your feedbacks for the same. Regards. Now here automatically without any efforts, the name of the product is changed into dummy product. So this means that our workflow is perfectly successful and we have successfully set up an integration between WooCommerce and Facebook pages. Let me take you again towards Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done here in this workflow. So we have taken two simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken WooCommerce and in action, we have taken Facebook pages. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new product will be updated in our WooCommerce store, automatically the information of that update will be shared on our Facebook page in the form of a new post. And in the same manner, by following the same steps, you can very easily create this automation by setting up an integration between WooCommerce and Facebook pages, and this will enable you to automatically share about your WooCommerce product updates on your Facebook pages in the form of page post. Okay, so this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.